showcase our table for you.
Our competition table is built around Google Lunar X Prize, surviving the lunar night, preserving the heritage artifacts on the moon, and our favorite one, solar power on the moon.
Scoring is based on the degree of difficulty of the mission. We will walk you through on how to score points on our table.
The first mission that your team will have to accomplish is safely landing on the lunar surface. Get your robot completely out of space, and you'll earn 5 points. Changes in elevation can make traveling on the moon challenging. Ascend a ramp, traverse the plateau, and descend the ramp on the opposite side, reaching the lunar surface. Earn 15 points each time this mission is completed. Maximum of 6 times will be counted towards the final score.
Constructing a lunar base will require a lot of energy. To provide a renewable power source on the moon, a solar panel array will be needed. 3D printers can utilize the elements in regolith to create solar panels. Shift the handle on the collection unit to harvest the moon sand. Pour it onto the 3D printer and print the solar panel. Earn 10 points for this mission.
You'd be surprised how important communication is, especially on the moon. Astronauts need to be able to reach people on Earth. They might also want to be able to contact people on board the International Space Station. This mission is to establish communication by repositioning the satellite dish. The inspiration for this challenge came from a giant Lego tower I saw while at Space Camp. There are 3 ways to score. Earn 10 points by triggering a touch sensor on the plateau level. Earn 5 points for activating the dish from the mission area. If both sensors are triggered, receive an extra 5 points.
The highest temperature ever recorded in the US was 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine living somewhere that gets as hot as 253 degrees and drops to minus 387 at night. Reach the target and knock it over to simulate the ability to maneuver the lunar night. The target must be lying flat on the lunar surface to earn 10 points.
There are over 100 artifacts on the moon. The American flag and Neil Armstrong's footprint are 2 of the most famous examples. With the Google Lunar X Prize teams returning to the moons for a lunar race, it is important to preserve the historical landmarks on the surface. Pick up the protective cape and deliver it to anywhere on the mission area to receive 10 points. In the mission area is a flag that is made using a 3D printer.
If I asked you if there was life on the moon, what would you say? Lots of life hitchhiked to the moon aboard the Apollo missions. Astronauts left behind many items that had microorganisms attached. One item filled with microscopic life is a discarded fecal bag. Scientists on Earth decided to learn about the effects of molecular growth on the moon. How do things such as solar wind, radiation, and low gravity impact simple life forms? To retrieve the fecal bag for biological study. Earn 10 points for successfully completing this challenge.
It would also be very informative to learn about its impact on metals, wood, and synthetic materials. Astronauts left behind some tools they used on their mission. These could be analyzed to provide valuable research results to scientists. Retrieve the toolbox and deliver it back to the starting base to earn 10 points.
What game would be complete without penalty points? We have made a penalty box. It contains elements found in regolith, including iron, aluminum, silicon, titanium, magnesium, and oxygen. Each time a penalty is received, an element is removed to the inactive side of the box. Each element in the active side of the box at the end of the game is worth 2 points.